Hola chicos y chicas, ¿qué tal? Vamos a aprender cómo se le llama a los animales bebé. Hello, boys and girls. Let's learn what baby animals are called in Spanish. Pollito, pollito is a chick. Cerdito, cerdito is a piglet. Becerro, becerro is a baby cow or a calf. Potro, potro is a baby horse or a foal. Osesno or osito is a bear cub. Cordero is a baby sheep or a lamb. Cabrita, cabrita is a baby goat or a kid. Gatito, gatito is a kitten. Cachorro, cachorro is a puppy. Ahora es tu turno. ¿Puedes nombrar a los animales? Now it is your turn. Can you name the animals? A baby lamb or kid is cabrita or chivo. Did you say that? A puppy is cachorro. Did you say cachorro? A baby horse or foal is potro. Did you say potro? Good job. A baby cow or calf is becerro. Did you say that? A kitten is a gatito if it's a boy or gatita if it's a girl. Gracias por ver y aprender conmigo. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Adiós.